Engineering productivity, technical knowledge search using data science. We have Mohan with us to talk about this. Hi Mohan, why did the client come to Intuceo?
This specific client is in a vision care R&D division of a large conglomerate. They had the research done over the decades, several decades. They had these documents help them in various researches all over their IT infrastructure. There were several systems were involved, disparate systems, old and new, and different locations. They were all connected, but they were not sure which data is where. They only knew that where the repositories of data is there. One of the challenges they were facing was how to search the relevant documents when they are researching for any topic they were interested in. So instead of reinventing the wheel, use the information what they already have was the objective, but they were unable to do because of the way the documents were stored and available in various systems. So our solution, what we mentioned to them, is more related to the documents can be wherever they are, but we suggested them that we will make sure saying that we build the database of that for the metadata and then provide the search. That is the challenge which we wanted to solve in our analytics way.
How did you implement?
First, we looked at the locations of data stored, where it is stored, and how many types of data. It could be, just in the Word, the PDF, the emails. There are so many different locations where the data was actually stored. So we understood where all the data repositories lie today, and typically what a researcher searches, which data they would like to retrieve, what problems they are actually facing in terms of the type of the information they are getting versus the type of information they would be looking for. After that, we looked at what solutions or what parts of the solutions we already have in our system. And then we looked at the roadmap, saying that how do we look at the indexing, as well as indexing the existing documents, as well as providing fitting our search engine on top of it. And then it was the normal course of the life cycle of design, development, and test. So that was the process we adopted.
How did you manage the analytics solution?
So they had about 100,000 documents approximately. They were of different types. We started building the connectors to reach those locations or those type of documents. And then we looked at sampling. How do we sample each type of data? Each type of the documents, and then build the meta index what we wanted to build. So we took about 10,000 documents as the sample, constituting all different types of documents. We built the model over that. How do we get the relevant documents for their search, rather than throwing all the documents which will meet those search criteria? We used our machine learning algorithms, some of the algorithms what we already had, and we developed some. And then we brought the output in such a way, saying that we filter from the output whatever we received to give them the most relevant top 10 documents for the search terms they were looking for.
Did the client enjoy the success?
First and foremost thing is they didn't have to go to different repositories to search. Second is they could save the effort in searching, and the search time itself reduced from several minutes to few seconds. And third one is when they got the top 10, probably they didn't have to go to any other documents to search, because most of the information they were getting were in the top 10 in the search output list what we could provide.
Thank you very much, Mohan. Thank you all for watching.